Alright, now we're ready for case 6 out of 8 cases of solving right triangles. This is our first one where we're given the area and a leg, and we're not given two sides or a side and an angle. We're actually given the area and a leg. But this one's also pretty straightforward. Notice that the area is 1/2 a times b. So we can easily solve that for side A, say if we know side B. So this one we know side B here. Let's go ahead and make that red to show that we know that side. And of course we know the right angle here. We always know that. And then we know the area of 23 square centimeters. Now, the area, K, is 1/2 a times b. And solving this for A, we multiply both sides by 2 and divide both sides by B on that equation, and we get A equals 2K over B. So, plugging in our area of 23 square centimeters and 4 centimeters here, notice square centimeters cancels down to centimeters, and so we get 2 times 23 divided by 4 is 11.5. That was probably easy enough you could do in your head, but let's check it here. 2 times 23 divided by 4, and that is 11.5. And let's store that as A. We might need that later, so store that as A. Now that we've got A and B, we can find C. So A squared plus B squared equals C squared, so C is the square root of A squared plus B squared. So C is the square root of 11.5 squared plus 4 squared. So square root 11.5 squared, or I could just said A, or previous answer, square, plus 4 squared. And be sure to get our parentheses in the right order there. And that is 11. Typo. Try that again. Second enter brings that back up. I've got it should be 11.5. I'm not sure how that 0 got in there. Let's delete that. And there we go. 12.17579, etc. Okay, so about 12.2 for C. I'll store that as C in case I need it later as well. Alright, now we have all three sides, and we can use, say, A and B to find angle B. So relative to angle B, that's the opposite leg and the adjacent leg. So tangent of angle B is B over A, and so that means B is the inverse tangent of side B over side A. So it's the inverse tangent of 4 over 11.5. So that's the inverse tangent of 4 divided by 11.5. I'm in degree mode, so my answer will come out in degrees, 19.179 degrees, and of course then I can just do 90 minus that previous answer. Whoops, let's try it again. 90 minus second, here's the previous answer, to get my other angle, 70.82. So now we have all three angles and all three sides and the area. Okay, so why don't you try one of these? Let's say the area is let's say the area is 36 and a side is 9. The area is 36 and the side is 9. The leg is 9. See if you can work that one out and come back and check it when you're done. Press pause now. Okay, so I believe we said the area was 36 and the side was 9, and so that looks like this. And so we see the area is 1/2 A times B, multiply by 2 and divide by B. We get area is 2K over B, so that is 2 times 36 divided by 9, and that gives us 8 for the other side for A. Then we can use the Pythagorean theorem to find C. A squared plus B squared equals C squared, so C is the square root of A squared plus B squared. So that's the square root of A is 8 square plus B square, that's 9 square, and that gives us 12.04 something approximately for that side. B is this angle right here, okay, and the opposite would be B, adjacent would be A, so B over A is a tangent of B. So to find angle B, I can do the inverse tangent of B over A, so that's the inverse tangent of 9 over 8. So inverse tangent of 9 over 8, if I'm in radian mode, I would get radians, but I'm in degree mode, so this will give me degrees for the answer, 48 point something degrees there, and then do 90 degrees minus that previous answer for the other angle, and we get, hopefully you got this as well. Okay, and as always, you can come back to this sketch to practice some problems and check your answers. Of course, you won't be able to do this without the sketch for the exams.